Hello everyone, in today's video, I will explain, in a very easy way, everything from how to sign up on the latest 2026 version of Bitget Mobile, to how to deposit funds and trade futures. So, let's get started. First, I'll show you how to sign up for Bitget. Please install the Bitget app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the Bitget app. To begin signing up, tap Get Started. Create your ID using either your email address or your mobile number. Next, tap the referral code section. If you enter the referral code *3, you will receive a 50% Bitget trading fee discount, a 20% cashback, and additional bonus rewards. Now, check all the boxes for the terms and conditions below. For the second agreement, you must scroll all the way down before you can agree. Then tap Next. Follow the order of the icons shown in the top left, and tap the corresponding images displayed on the screen. A verification code will then be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Now, set your password. Your password must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character, and must be at least 8 characters long. Once this is done, your ID creation is complete. Next, let's proceed with identity verification. Identity verification must be completed in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget, so please make sure to complete this step. Tap the Verify button in the center. Tap Verify now once again. First, select your nationality, and then select your region of residence. Next, choose the type of identification you will use. Please select the ID you currently have from the options below. I will select Passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your ID, tap Take a picture. Align the passport information page within the camera frame, and take the photo without any glare or shadows. Next, proceed with facial verification for identity confirmation. Align your face within the camera frame, and nod your head or blink your eyes as instructed. Once you complete these steps, the identity verification process is finished. The review will be conducted within 1 hour. And once it is complete, you will be able to see that your identity verification has been approved. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Return to the home screen. Tap the person icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To configure security settings, tap the Security tab. Select Google Authenticator. A screen prompting you to install Google Authenticator will appear. Install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, tap Next in the Bitget app. The Google Authenticator setup screen will appear. Here, you will see a 16-digit Bitget code. First, copy this 16-digit code. Next, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner, and select Enter a setup key. Enter Bitget as the code name, and paste the copied 16-digit code into your key. Tap Add. A 6-digit code labeled Bitget will now appear in Google Authenticator. Copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Bitget app. Paste the code into the Google Authenticator code field. Google Authenticator setup is now complete. Second, I'll explain how to deposit funds into Bitget. There are several deposit methods available on Bitget, but in today's video, I'll show you the peer-to-peer trading method. From the home screen, tap Assets in the bottom right corner. At the top, you'll see 2 wallets. Spot is the wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. And Futures is the wallet for futures trading. To deposit crypto, tap Spot. Tap Add Funds. Then select Peer-to-peer trading. Alternatively, you can tap Add Funds directly from the home screen, and then select Peer-to-peer trading. The peer-to-peer trading screen will appear. Set the mode to buy to purchase crypto. Tap the button on the right to select the fiat currency you want to use. Tap this button to choose the crypto you want to buy. USDT is commonly used because it has high liquidity and fast transfer speeds. Tap Limit to enter the purchase amount. Tap Method to select your payment method. An advertiser list matching your conditions will appear below. For safer transactions, it is recommended to trade with advertisers who have high trading volume and a high success rate. Select the advertiser you want to trade with, and tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, and select your payment method. Before proceeding, make sure to check the advertiser's terms. Tap Buy USDT with 0 fees. Please check the purchase price and quantity, then tap Next. The advertiser's payment information will appear. Carefully review this information, and also check the advertiser's chat before making the payment. Double-check the payment details, and proceed with the transfer. Once the payment is completed, return to the Bitget app and tap Paid. After the seller confirms the payment, the crypto will be released to you. To check the deposited crypto, return to the Bitget home screen, tap Assets in the bottom right, and select Spot. You will see that the coins have been deposited. Third, I'll explain how to trade futures on Bitget. To trade futures, you must first transfer your coins from Spot to futures. Tap Spot. Then tap Transfer to move your coins. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT and futures. Select the coin you want to transfer. Enter the transfer amount, and tap Confirm. After a short moment, the coins will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, for futures trading, tap Futures in the bottom right corner. The futures trading screen will appear. Tap the button in the top left. To select the trading pair, tap the chart icon on the right. To view the price chart for the selected coin, then go back to the trading screen. Tap this button to set the margin mode. Cross uses all available margin for your position, while isolated uses only a portion of your margin. For beginners, the safer option is isolated. Tap the button next to it to set leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase profits, but it also significantly increases risk, so beginners are recommended to use lower leverage. Tap this button to select the order type. Limit places an order at a specified price, while market places an order at the current market price. Next, enter the price and quantity you want to trade. The available margin is displayed here. Tap this button to choose the position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Open Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Open Short. Once the position is opened, tap Positions at the bottom. Here, you can check the status of your open position. Row indicates your current return on equity. Tap the plus button next to margin to add or remove margin. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. And S-Leak price is the liquidation price. If the price reaches the liquidation price, your position will be automatically liquidated. Next, tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, tap Close to close your position. Market price closes the position at the current market price, and the limit price closes it at a specified price. Enter the price and quantity you want to close. Then tap Confirm. Your position will now be fully closed. In today's video, I explained in a very easy way everything from signing up on the 2026 latest version of Bitget Mobile to depositing funds and trading futures. If you have any questions or difficulties while watching the video, please leave a comment and I'll respond as quickly as possible. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.